Hello guys, my name is Diego Pacheco and this is a JavaScript video. So today we're gonna be talking about property-based testing. This is a functional programming concept that was created in Haskell with Haskell Quick, and the idea is that you write a property that is sort of like a predicate that should remain true, and then you want to generate all sorts of inputs. So if you write this in a kind of standard example-based unit tests, you're definitely going to have lots of test scenarios, and often people do not test that many covers. Sometimes people just do the happy path and something like that, right? So with the property-based test, which is something you can use in any language, not only functional programming language, you can be much more productive and cover in a greater scale in sense of coverage, which really not much effort. So let me show you some quick and simple example of this, right? So let me open my VS Code here and let's take a look. So I'm gonna use jsverify, all right? And you can install it with npm. And here I'm just requiring JS verified, and then I have two functions I want to check, right? So I want to test addition and multiplication. So we're gonna look for addition if it's commutative, and as we know it is, right? So if I'm doing the sum a plus b or b plus a, it should be the same. And basically, when I do the JSC JavaScript verified check all, I'm basically saying that I want two integers, so it will be generated all sorts of integers here, and this should be true all the times, right? And here is the same idea for multiplication. However, the only difference here is we are getting three integers, right? But it's not only with integers, you can use strings, you can do all sorts of things, right? And here I'm just playing with it and say, okay, if I do a multiplied by b plus c, or a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c, should be the same, right? And that's what we're gonna test. And finally, we just print the result of these two checks. And if this was like kind of standard example-based unit test, you would have like two tests here, right? So you would need to do it, one for negative numbers, then for positives, then for big positives. You know, you think about all sorts of scenarios. But because we're doing property-based testing, the engine jsverify will generate that for us. So if I go here and I just gonna run this with Node.js, right? Then you're gonna see that actually 100 tests was generated for the addition function, and another 100 tests was generated for the multiplication test. So that's pretty cool. We definitely can write better tests with not much more effort. So that's a very interesting idea you guys should be exploring. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like it. Cheers.